Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the metric system. One of the most popular systems of measurement around the world is called the metric system. It is a system based on multiples of 10 with respect to measuring distance, mass, capacity, and area. Some of the more common units used and how they are converted into other units are the following. Distance. 1 kilometre equals 1,000 metres. 1 metre equals 100 centimetres. 1 centimetre equals 10 millimetres. The abbreviations for distance are as follows. The kilometre is km, the metre is m, centimetre is cm, the millimetre is mm. Mass. 1 tonne is 1,000 kilograms. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, and 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. The abbreviations for mass are as follows. The tonne is T, the kilogram is kg, the gram is g, and the milligram is mg. With respect to capacity, 1 megalitre is 1,000,000 litres, 1 kilolitre is 1,000 litres, and 1 litre is 1,000 millilitres. The abbreviations for capacity are as follows. The megalitre is ml, the litre is L, and the millilitre is ml. Area. 1 hectare is 10,000 square metres. The abbreviations for area are as follows. The hectare is HA, and square metres is m to the power of 2. Some examples of common measurements. The following examples are approximate, but they give us a good idea of the size of the common measurements in use. So if we take an orange, the mass of an orange is about 200 grams. A man, the mass of a man is about 75 kilograms. A car, the mass of a car is about 1.2 tons. Capacity, that's a mug there or a cup. So the capacity of a cup is about 300 millilitres. There's a typical carton. This carton holds about 1 litre of milk. 1 hectare is about 2.5 football fields. And the capacity of a teaspoon is about 5 millilitres. So they're just a few examples showing some of the popular measurements.